everyone, my name is Julia Boeke and I'm a first-year PhD student at the Leibniz Institute of Photonic Technology and a Marie Curie Scholar of the MONPLAS International Training Network. My PhD project is part of the European Horizon 2020 project, MONPLAS. And MONPLAS is the acronym for monitoring micro and nanoplastics to determine their presence in water and evaluate their threat towards animal and human life. Together with 13 other PhD students all over Europe, we work towards a cost-efficient and reliable method to monitor and detect micro and nanoplastics. We are based at 8 different renowned research institutes and universities all over Europe. In my PhD project, I combine photonics with microfluidics and image processing to be able to develop a lab-on-a-chip platform that is able to detect microplastic particles. With our system, we aim to detect not only the particles itself, but also assess their shape, their size, and their spectral characteristics. As a PhD student, I will spend 3 additional months at the Aalborg University in Denmark and 3 months at the Rainy Shore site in the UK. So I'm already very curious and very grateful for the experiences that I will gain towards sampling of microplastics and towards the commercialization of spectroscopic detection systems. My PhD experience here at the Leibniz Institute of Photonic Technologies has been a steep learning curve so far, and I'm very grateful for my supervisors Jürgen Popp, Wolfgang Fritsche, Thomas Henkel and Christoph Kraft. Prior to my PhD, I graduated in photonics engineering as a joint program from both University of Ghent and Vrije Universiteit Brussels in Belgium. During my master's studies, I gained experience during 2 internships that prepared me for my project now. One was at On Semiconductor in Mechelen, where I worked on hyperspectral imaging. The second one was in nanoBiophotonics at the Catalan Institute of Nanoscience and Nanotechnology in Barcelona. In my free time, I am a cheerleader not only to my family and friends, but also as a competitive sport. To me, cheerleading is the perfect combination of individual performance and teamwork, which I think is a very great skill to have when you want to pursue a career in science. In addition, I also participated at the German National Championship and the Belgian National Championship so far. A very personal goal of mine is to inspire young girls and women for a career in STEM. To me, this is the place where creativity actually makes a change. When science, engineering and creativity comes together, we are able to develop solutions for our everyday life problems. To me, excellent science is only possible with diverse perspectives, multidisciplinary experiences, and from collaborations. That is why I got involved as the Equal Opportunities Officer at the Leibniz-IPHT. Microplastics is a trending topic that receives high media attention. Also, the European Union already started to ban microplastic particles from cosmetics to prevent them entering the environment. And also the US passed a bill which made monitoring of microplastics in water necessary. But microplastics are also a consequence from plastic pollution, as they originate from degradation and mechanical aberration of the plastics that are already in the environment. However, standardized methods to monitor this pollution are not yet available on a wide scale, and this is why it is so important to create cost-efficient methods and make standardized monitoring available to everyone. I hope you enjoyed my very short introduction and are very curious on where my PhD project is going in the future. Don't worry, I will keep you updated, and if you have any questions in the meantime, don't hesitate to reach out.